friends, I am Siva Verma. Today I am discussing about approach and scope of biochemistry. What is biochemistry? By definition, biochemistry is the study of the life processes at a chemical level. The application of biochemistry are so wide that it hardly makes any difference whether the investigations under study are. First is those of growth vegetable in the fields. Next, looking at the genesis of disease in a patient. Industrial processes such as fermentation, antibiotic production, even finding life on other planets. Other definition of biochemistry. Biochemistry has a key which can open all type of locks in life sciences. The applications is first is the biochemistry in isolations. It should not necessarily be considered as the chemistry of living organisms. For instance, phytochemistry. Phytochemistry in which study of the plants deals with the chemistry of plants and the study of chemical product and compound naturally occurring in plants. Although the chemical products produced by a plants or animals are closely related to the life processes, yet they are not meaningful to a biochemist unless a relationship between the life processes and the chemical products. Second application is biochemistry in microbiology. Biochemistry has largely obtained information the study of microorganisms including bacteria, viruses, algae and fungi. At certain stages, it becomes extremely difficult to dissociate biochemistry from microbes such as chlorella. The universality of light and dark reactions is thus based on information derived from microorganisms. The citric acid cycle is largely bacterial and the nucleic acid are primarily bacterial. The nitrogen metabolism has been studied essentially through microorganisms. The biochemistry of vitamins has been studied particularly in cells. The information on enzyme induction and repression has been originally derived from microorganisms. In fact, biochemistry is exhaustively studied using microbes as a system. One thing must be realized that microbiology has provided a system to biochemistry. Third application is physical sciences in biochemistry. Biochemistry is a quantitative science requiring the estimations of products formed and the rate of reactions underlying biochemical processes. Chemical or biochemical reactions occur when atoms or molecules or compounds interact to form other compound called products. Particularly, all biological reactions are catalyzed by enzymes. Fourth application is from biochemistry to genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is the most sophisticated technique of manipulating the information flow in a living organism. It involves tailoring or modifying existing genetic and biochemical processes in an organism to the requirements of a potentially growing society. For instance, the production of amino acid lysine, an essential amino acid in nutrition, has been quite well enhanced by the skillful modification of the biosynthetic pathway of lysine and its genetic regulation. Some of these biochemically and genetically modified strains of bacteria, Brevibacterium flavum and Corynebacterium glutamicum are able to form more than 75 grams of lysine per liter of the fermenting medium.